Hi.
Hi. You ready?
We are ready.
Okay. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the first episode of Boston Stone Restoration's Ask the Experts. We often get questions from potential clients about different stone issues that we're having, and today we decided we would take two of the most popular questions and answer them for you. The first question comes from Julia in Boston. Julia asks, my designer is recommending a matte finish for my kitchen countertops. What is the difference between matte and honed? And I'm going to let you answer this one.
Well, there's no relative difference between matte and honed. It's just not polished stone. Some people prefer a matte or a honed finish on their stone because it's easier to take care of and easier to repair if it gets scratched. Polished finishes need to be honed down then polished back up. It's a personal preference.
Do we have any solutions for people who want that high shine finish but are worried about etch marks?
Yes, we do. We offer a coating that we put on the stone. It's UV cured, and it will prevent etch marks, and it will also prevent staining in your stone, especially if you have white marble like this. Another benefit of it is it could be honed or it could be polished to a high shine.
Excellent, thank you. That actually brings us to our second question. Bridget from Newton says, I have some brown staining on my white marble. What is it and what can I do to get rid of it? So it's important to determine what caused the stain initially. Many things can stain white stone. Food, coffee, red wine, cosmetic products, hair dye, certain other makeups have pigment in them that can leave a mark on your stone, or the stain can be coming from within the stone, and that is when you have a rust stain. White marble has a high iron content, and sometimes you just get a piece that's going to show the rust. We do have some options for removing stains. For the rust stains, we recommend a product that you can buy commercially called Iron Out. The reason we recommend you do this as a do-it-yourself project is it often requires multiple applications to remove the stain entirely. The other trick with rust is that because it occurs naturally in the stone, even though you may be able to lighten it or remove it, it can't guarantee that it isn't going to come back in the long run. If you have a different kind of stain, an oil stain, makeup, hair dye, those other types of things, you can make a do-it-yourself poultice. A poultice is just a mixture of a liquid and a solid that are mixed together to make a paste. We recommend unscented baby powder and 40% by volume hydrogen peroxide. This can be purchased at a beauty supply store or online. It must be liquid, not cream, and it must be 40% by volume. Again, we recommend a do-it-yourself poultice because it can require multiple applications. On our website, if you go to www.bostonstonerestoration.com and put the word poultice into the search bar, there are instructions and a recipe on how to create your own do-it-yourself poultice. Going back to the coating that Ed was talking about before, the beauty of our more anti-etch coating is it also protects against staining. For more information, give us a call at 781-793-0700. Thanks so much and see you next month.